If you're looking to free up desk space, improve your gaming setup, and achieve better viewing angles, mounting your gaming monitor to a VESA wall mount is a great solution. The process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to make sure your monitor and mount are compatible before you begin. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a gaming monitor to a VESA wall mount safely and correctly. Before purchasing or installing a wall mount, I wanted to check if your monitor supports a VESA mounting. So I need you to inspect the back of your monitor because most gaming monitors have 4 screw holes arranged in a square pattern. Common VESA sizes include 75 by 75 mm, 100 by 100 mm, 200 by 200 mm for larger displays, and you can verify your monitor's VESA compatibility by checking the user manual or the manufacturer's specification page. And of course, you need to make sure to verify the wall mount compatibility. Make sure your VESA wall mount supports your monitor's VESA pattern, your monitor's weight, your monitor's screen size, because using an incompatible mount can lead to instability or damage. So double check these specifications before installation. And of course, you need to install the wall mount bracket. This is very important to take the monitor mounting plate that came with your VESA wall mount, align it with the VESA holes on the back of the monitor, and insert the supplied screws. Tighten the screws securely, but avoid over-tightening as this could damage the monitor housing or mounting threads. And then, I want you to attach the monitor to the wall mount. With the wall bracket installed, carefully lift the monitor and attach it to the mounting arm or wall plate according to the mount's instructions. Some mounts have like a hook and lock mechanism, while others require additional securing screws. Make sure the monitor locks securely into place before letting go. This is very important because if you connect your cables properly, alright, you need to reconnect all the necessary cables, including the HDMI, display port, power cable, USB cables if applicable, and route the cables neatly along the mount or through the built-in cable management channels for a clean gaming setup. And finally, you need to adjust the viewing position. Why? Because most VESA wall mounts allow adjustments such as tilt, swivel, extension, rotation, and position the monitor at the eye level and adjust it for comfortable gaming and reduced neck strain. Now, keep in mind that connecting a gaming monitor to a VESA wall mount is an excellent way to create a cleaner and more ergonomic gaming station. And if you encounter any issues, verify the VESA pattern matches the mount, ensure all the screws are tightened properly, check all the monitor weight does not exceed the mount's limit, confirm the wall bracket is securely attached to the studs or appropriate anchors. By doing so, you'll enjoy more desk space and a professional looking setup in no time. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions about mounting your gaming monitor. As always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.